Hey, how y'all doing today? Y'all, when I tell y'all, sometimes you just got to get up and make things happen for yourself. If you continue to wait on everybody else, sometimes you will always be waiting. Y'all, I needed a break. I needed to reset. I needed to get myself together. So you know what I did? Do y'all really want to know what I did? I put some gas in my truck. I got an oil change. I packed my bags. And I hit the road. And you know what brings me the most peace? Y'all, sometimes I'm telling you, when you have to reset and get your mind right and take a break from everything, y'all, you know what do it for me? I can tell you better. I can show you better than I can tell you. Hold 1 second. Let me see what I can do with this camera. Y'all. You just drive yourself to the beach. Y'all, when I tell you, I love it. I love it. Y'all see my hair going back? It's trying to grow back. But that's because I'm in my new season. Praise the Lord. I'm in my new season. And my hair is growing back. Praise the Lord. God is so good. All is not lost because my hair is growing back. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. That's part of my new season. So when I'm going to tell y'all, so when you need to reset, regroup, don't wait on nobody else. Just get up and make it happen for yourself. This is just my first stop. Gulf Shores, along this whole line, that's where I will be. Chilling. Taking a load off and taking a break. But y'all be blessed. And I pray that you all be able to have the courage to do the same thing. All right. Love y'all. Bye.
Let me ask you something. When was the last time you really looked in the mirror and said, I love you? Not because you looked perfect, not because you achieved something, but simply because you're you. Most of us have learned how to love others, to give, to support, to forgive. But when it comes to loving ourselves, that's where we struggle the most. Today, I want to show you how to fall in love with yourself again. One real, honest step at a time. You don't have to earn your own love. Not when you lose weight. Not when you make more money. Not when everything finally goes right. You love yourself by accepting that you're already enough. Today. Say this out loud.
I am not behind. I am not broken. I am becoming.
The world profits from our self-doubt. But healing starts the moment you choose to believe you are enough, even when you don't feel like it. You can't grow if you keep punishing yourself for who you used to be. Every mistake, every detour, every wrong turn, it led you here. Forgiveness isn't pretending it didn't happen. It's saying, that chapter taught me something. Ask yourself, what would I say to a friend who made the same mistakes I did? Now, say that to yourself.
I'm not good enough. Yes, you are.
Your inner voice shapes your reality. Every time you call yourself stupid or unworthy, you're reinforcing a lie. You deserve the same kindness you give to others. Would you ever tell a child, you'll never be enough? Then stop saying it to yourself. Start talking to yourself like someone you love, because you are. Loving yourself means taking care of your body, not because you hate it, but because you respect it. Rest when you're tired. Eat food that fuels you, not shames you. Move your body because you can, not because you have to. Your body is your home. Treat it with honor. Loving yourself also means protecting your peace. You don't need to explain or apologize for choosing your mental health. Boundaries aren't walls, they're fences with gates that you control. Self-love grows in the small wins. You don't need a big achievement to feel proud. Got out of bed today? That counts. Showed up even though you were scared? That counts. You're building a life, one small victory at a time. Love yourself enough to walk away from energy that drains you. The people around you should water your growth, not crush your roots. Protect your space, your peace, and your joy. Phoenix spark standing tall, wings glowing, sunrise in background. Loving yourself isn't vanity, it's victory. It's the courage to stand tall in a world that profits from your insecurity. It's whispering to yourself, even on the hard days, I am doing the best I can, and that is enough. You don't have to have it all figured out. You just have to start loving yourself. One honest, imperfect day at a time. Stay strong, stay rising, stay unbreakable. Comment I choose me if you're ready to love yourself again. Click the link in the bio to grab your free Love Yourself journal and start your self-love journey today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Unbreakable You for more weekly motivation.
Hi, so this is day 2 at my favorite place. Oh my gosh. Y'all, the relaxation. And you know what? This one is a lot clearer. The white sand beaches. I always wanted to come to this place. And now I'm here, and it almost seemed like, it's almost like a dream come true, because I was always working, y'all. Like, always working and not making time for myself. That's one of the things I do regret. It's just being able to just take time for myself. You know, I'm so grateful because I'm in this new season. And to be honest with you, it's a selfish season. I'm focusing on myself for a change. I've always, oh my gosh, I've always helped other people. I'm not saying that I'm going to stop. But I always put other people before myself. And now I get a chance to put me first. And I'm not talking about myself over God. It ain't got nothing to do with that. God is always first. Understand that. God is always first. But I'm saying being able to take care of me in this season. Because I realize that if I don't take care of myself, number one, who's going to do it? And number two, how can I help other people if I'm low on fuel myself, right? So here again, I'm chilling. Y'all, I love pink. So I got a lot of pink shirts. And a lot of my shirts I got on sale. So guess what? I bought more than one. But you know what? That's beside the point. The point is that I'm finally taking care of me. And I'm doing it at my favorite place. So y'all, please take care of yourselves. I'll talk to you at my third spot. All right. Have a wonderful Sunday. See ya.